My name is Kurt Chamberlain, and I am a marketing manager of program development for Direct Supply. Direct Supply is a leading provider of furnishings, equipment, and technology for the post-acute care market, specializing primarily in senior living and skilled nursing. We do have a footprint in other care types, including home health, acute and ambulatory care. But with COVID-19, things changing, trends in the industry rapidly evolving, we really wanted to get a holistic picture of how our capabilities might fit across the healthcare spectrum. We chose Canton and Company based on initial phone calls that we had with the Canton team. We had investigated a number of different firms that are experts in the healthcare space. And our initial conversations with Canton, the team really showed their expertise in a tangible way. They brought data and insights and really impactful information to those early conversations. While we talked to a number of impressive firms, we weren't always getting really that tangible proof in the initial conversations that they would be the right firm for us. That wasn't an issue with Canton. Our early conversations demonstrated that the Canton team had a pretty strong understanding of what information we were after, what we were looking for, and what was going to be the key deliverable. And so we chose to go with them for that reason. The project that we worked on with Canton was primarily a research project about a number of different healthcare markets and pain points facing those markets and how our capabilities might be aligned or how we could position those capabilities. The approach that we took was to work very closely with Canton and the Canton team. We had ongoing communications on a weekly basis, at least, occasionally more. They would provide us, research and data in response to the questions that we had asked, as well as some additional insights for the questions that we hadn't really thought to ask. That evolved over time into strategic recommendations from their part. They were always willing to take our feedback and incorporate that into the next stages of the process. So it was a really collaborative effort. The engagement with Canton resulted in a deliverable of a number of strategic recommendations that we were able to consider, as a working team, and then with our leadership to determine how we could best, move forward in positioning ourselves for our core customers or potentially other customers in the healthcare space. What surprised me the most about our engagement with Canton was just their involvement on the day-to-day in ongoing conversations. I know that while they probably had a number of engagements happening in parallel to ours, at times it really felt like we were the only customer or we were the only client. The level of communication, it was transparent, it was clear, it was responsive and quick, and we never felt that it was challenging to get the Canton team on the phone or talk through a particular issue. So that was a really, really pleasant piece of the engagement. If you're considering an engagement with Canton and Company, I would tell you to pick up the phone and give them a call and have an introductory conversation, because I think in that time you'll have everything you need to make the decision. That was our experience. We contacted Canton just for kind of an introduction and opening questions, and we're really satisfied with what they brought to that conversation.